So, you've got a set of wheel locks on to protect those pricey wheels, but you've lost the keys for them, huh? You've come to the right channel for some advice. 6-star driver here, and in this video, I will be showing you one of the ways you can use to get those locks off your wheels. Follow me. All you need is a 12-point metric deep socket. For this specific car, an Acura TL, I actually tried 3 different sizes. An 18mm, which was too small, a 20mm, too big, and a 19mm, which was perfect fit. I had to bang it in a bit to get a good grip. Now you will need a hammer or something to get the socket further into the lock, so you don't end up stripping it while trying to unlock it. I didn't have my hammer on me, so I ended up improvising with this huge pliers. This video is strictly for educational purposes and should only be used by those who the wheels belong to. This ain't no go jack somebody else's wheels training video, okay? Looks like I've got the socket deep enough. Time to unloosen the bolts. Mine was actually easy. Luckily, whoever replaced the wheels prior didn't over-torque it, so it came right off without major effort. And there you have it. You have successfully removed the wheel locks off without the key. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button if you found this video very helpful. Let's get the YouTube algorithms on my side. I need more people to find my channel, so please smash that button ASAP if you haven't done so yet. That is it for now, people. Catch you on the next video. Peace.